Oh my god. I God damn it, dude. I can't believe they used the monkey again. That's so disappointing.
You know what else is disappointing?
But who said that?
The smoke detector on your ceiling, you idiot. And it's disappointing that you sit in your room all day and don't do anything.
Oh, my smoke detector, eh? And that's not true. I do stuff. In fact, earlier today, on my way to school, I raced a guy.
Hey, Dwayne, you want a race?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
All right.
3, 2, 1, go!
Shit, I got to start my engine.
And then I won.
Right. So is that all you did?
Well, I did have a weird encounter at a vending machine.
So you got attacked at a vending machine?
Yeah. Actually, funny story, I met some guy in a sewer.
Why the hell were you in a sewer?
I wonder if anything's popping down here. Yoo-hoo! Is anybody in there?
Get out of my fucking house!
Oh.
Get out! Get out!
Oh, sorry, dude.
Oh, it's okay.
Oh, okay, have a good day.
You too.
What a nice guy. Oh, and then I met the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
What?
Huh. I wonder if he has a neighbor. Yoo-hoo! Is there anybody in there?
Oh, hello.
Oh, hey! Nice to meet you. My name's Kyan.
Hi, I'm Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
Yeah.
I heard you met my brother Cletus.
Oh yeah, he's a fantastic guy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. Is that a rat in there?
You got a problem with rats?
A little bit, yeah. Why?
What's wrong with rats?
They stink.
What's wrong with rats? Get out of here!
Well, they seem nice.
Yep, they were pretty chill.
Did you actually do anything normal today?
Oh, I finally saw a Broadway show.
Oh, thank God. Finally something believable.
Oh my god, a Broadway show? Oh, I gotta go to that. Oh, I went to the show.
Keep dancing, mud boy.
You don't want to see the show? Nah, I'm out of here. What got me?
Why was your day so bloody random?
I love you.
And that is my limit.